Hey everyone, today I'm excited to review something that I honestly hadn't seen before. This is the UWANT D100 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. So I've used a lot of vacuums, and what makes this vacuum unique is that it uses real-time electrolyzed water and cleaner if you add it, and it cleans the floor with a brush roll and uses its vacuum functionality to suck in the debris. It's a pretty neat concept. I do like the fact that it can do chemical-free cleaning with the electrolyzed water, and it has an 18-path water spray system for even cleaning with no streaks on the floor. And it's hygienic as well, utilizing a dual tank system to keep the dirty water separate from the clean water. Now, setup is very easy. Taking it out of the packaging, there aren't a lot of parts. You just connect it all together, and that's basically it. It does come with an extra HEPA filter and brush roll, which is good, and you get some cleaning solution as well as a cleaning tool. And overall, I do like the design. It's sleek and it looks good, and it's just a nice looking vacuum. Here is where you put the clean water in it, and on the other side, it will fill up with the dirty water as you clean. And when you're done, you take the top off and you dump out the dirty water. And the entire thing can easily be washed out with water. Here, I'll show you the roller and how that works. It is a true edge-to-edge roller, so you don't have to worry about missing spots on the sides. And it does have an ergonomic handle as well that moves with the unit, which honestly I found pretty handy. And it can lay flat on the floor too for cleaning under things like tables, beds, that sort of thing. Now, how does it work in everyday use? Actually, surprisingly well. This is mainly used for hard floors, but it can also be used on low pile carpet and rugs. And it does a great job with dry debris like animal hair or crumbs. And it works really well with wet messes too. In their online photos, it shows it cleaning up spaghetti on the floor. And I thought, I have some spaghetti in the fridge. I'll go ahead and try that too. And this video speaks for itself. It sucked it right up very quickly and cleaned the floor really well. I was pleasantly surprised. Honestly, a lot of companies exaggerate their product's capabilities in their marketing materials, so I was really excited to see this actually do really well here. It's also got a handy feature where it will audibly tell you different things about the vacuum, like which mode you're in, if it's running the self-cleaning, if there's an issue. And you can turn it off, but honestly, I left it on and it was pretty nice to have. Now, after cleaning, I put it back on its stand. It's got an easy push-in base station, so that's good. And I'll go ahead and run its self-cleaning function, which is a really nice feature. It runs the brush roll with some water and it cleans it really good back and forth. And then I just dumped out the dirty water in the toilet. You can also easily clean the motor too, just by taking out the waste bin and running water over it, like in the shower here. And yeah, it's very impressive. It also has a drying function as well, which dries the floors after you clean them. And it's got a long 35-minute battery life too, which seems accurate. And the charging time on its stand is about 4 hours to fully recharge for another round of cleaning. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan. I have a pretty nice Shark lift-away vacuum, but I think this is going to replace it in regular use. It's more portable, being lighter and not having a cord, which is convenient, and it can get under things easier and clean up wet messes like the spaghetti. And checking out reviews on their website, a lot of other people are happy with it too. It's currently rated a 4.9 out of 5 stars based on 42 reviews, and these are real reviews with people posting actual photos and videos of its use, giving real feedback, so that's definitely good to see. As for pricing, considering its capabilities, it's not bad at all. Normally it's $499, but it's on sale for $299, and if you use promo code TechJeff, it drops it more down to $285. It's not the cheapest vacuum out there, but there's not many vacuums out there that can do what this can with its wet-dry functionality. And it does come with a 2-year warranty, and they offer a 30-day no questions asked return policy. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this UWANT D100 wet-dry vacuum in the comment section, and let me know if you have any questions about it. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.